Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best clip-on earrings available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Winsenet clip-on earring. These black fake earrings are designed without piercing. It is suitable for non-pierced people, easy to wear. The surface of these hoop dangle earrings are polished with the superb craftsmanship that earrings look very shiny and smooth. These black earrings for men are made of high-quality 316 liters stainless steel. This nickel-free and lead-free resist rust and resist corrode, ensure to use for a long time. Also, wearing these dangle earrings will make you more attractive and charming. These safe and comfortable non-piercing earrings are suitable for women and men. These fake earrings for men are wonderful gifts to friends, lovers and family members. They will be happy to get these fake piercing. At number 5 we have EIELO Clip On Earring. This fake piercings earring is made of high-quality 316 liters stainless steel non-piercing design, anti-sensitive. Also a no harm to your skin stylish clip-on design, cute without being bulky and not easy to fall off. It's look great on both men and women, multiple choices and suits for your everyday wearing. It comes with non-piercing design. These fake gauges earrings are made with strict workmanship, make your cute earlobe stand out easily. These stylish fake earrings in special huggy design black can match more cloth crossbar feather shape, suitable for daily party, birthday. The fake hoop earrings are a unique gift to give your significant lover, families and friends. At number 4 we have Winsenet clip-on earring. These silver dangle fake earrings for men come with different shapes and styles. Enough to go with different outfits. The surface of clip-on earrings for men kpop are polished with exquisite craftsmanship. This cross earrings for men look very shiny and smooth. It comes with non-piercing design. These men's hanging earrings are ideal for people without pierced ears. Men's clip-on earrings dangling come with a transparent box. At number 3 we have Winsenet clip-on earring. It comes with 20 pieces, different styles, men's clip-on earrings and gift box and storage bag package. It is made of high-quality surgical titanium steel lead and nickel-free, suitable for any skin type. It is good choice as a gift for your family and friends. Its diameter is 0.47 inch. It is non-piercing earrings designed safe for wearing, easy carrying. At number 2 we have BESTEEL clip-on earring. This fake piercing earrings are made by high-quality 316 liters stainless steel lead and nickel-free, no harm to your health, also to protect your sensitive ears. This is highly polished surface, smooth and comfortable to wear. Their lightweight won't cause much burden to your ears. The surface of them are polished with super craftsmanship that look very shiny and smooth, cool and fashionable for high street photo shooting. These black hoop dangle earrings are unisex design and suitable for both men and women to wear. You can send them as gifts for lovers, family members and friends on anniversary, wedding, engagement, etc. At number 1 we have WAINIS clip-on earring. It has non-piercing clip-on design. It is designed for people who don't have ear holes but want to show their personality. Don't worry about bad materials hurting your ears. This set of magnetic earrings will give you a wonderful wearing experience. This classic and simple styles earrings is a wonderful gift for your lover, family, friend and co-workers on birthday, anniversary, etc. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best clip-on earrings for your need.